say Writer's Workshop is an approach where we teach a mini lesson, we model the mini lesson. Students are then set free to try it using their own topic.
I really liked writing this year.
I feel like when I write, my life is complete, but it really isn't because there's so much to write.
My favorite part of writing is when we made those little nonfiction stories. I was totally on top of things.
It focuses on certain aspects of the curriculum, like for example, maybe we'll teach writing a lead or a launch, and we'll spend a couple days on that, and then we'll move on and work on something else. And then we circle around and meet with students and ask, how are you doing? Could you read me a piece? And then we give feedback based on what we hear, and then they keep writing from there. This program also encourages students just to write. Keep writing, write as much as you can.
I made books, and we're writing about research. Whales are one of my favorite animals.
They're in the driver's seat. They get to decide what they want to write about, which then encourages them to want to write more and take more pride and ownership in their writing.
I work really hard with researching animals, writing down notes, and make them into paragraphs. And it's really fun, so I pay a lot of attention to it, because I just love writing.
Yes, they're all writers, and they've published their first book.
I'm a writer because I spent a lot of my time on my rough draft of Edward's book on dogs and my final draft on Edward's book on dogs.
When they get to share their story, they're beaming from ear to ear. I've taught third grade for 20 years, and this is by far, during a pandemic, I have seen more authentic writing out of my students than I have in 20 years.